G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. Looking for a place to go mountain biking on the south side of Brisbane? We've got you covered. Today we're down here at Bayview Conservation Park. So let's go take a look at the place. Alright, here we are at Bayview Conservation Park. Let's go take a look at the place. Bayview Conservation Park is around about half an hour south of Brisbane, between Mount Cotton and Redland Bay. It's a really easy place to find, just off German Church Road. The area that we find ourselves out here this morning is the staging area. As you can see on the map here, the Bayview Conservation Park area is huge, and the mountain bike trails that run through here can keep you amused for days. We're just taking a look at a few of the select trails here this morning and taking a bit of a look at the day use area here. Alright, well I tell you what, there are plenty of trails to keep us amused here at Bayview Conservation Park, so I think it's time that we go take a look at them. As you can see from the trails here, everything is really well signposted and it's quite easy to find your way around, despite it being a really large place. With regards to all the trails here, you've got varying degrees of difficulty from beginner right through to intermediate and advanced. So if you're looking at coming here with the kids and the family, there's plenty for them to do, not just in the kids track in the day use area, but also in the main park itself. As you'll see here, there's plenty of car parking spaces and the day use area here is pretty well set up as well. In the day use area there's a bathroom block and a large covered picnic area. There's a couple of tables there and also barbecues there as well. If you're looking for something to do for the kids, there's also a little bit of a skills track here and a little mini trail for the kids to cruise around and get used to riding their bikes on the dirt trails. Alright, well that's a wrap from us out here at Bayview Conservation Park today. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Don't forget also to like, comment, subscribe and most importantly share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get Four Wheels on the Road.